This is Short. Hey, Shorty. In the grass. And then there's a boy. Yeah. Pumpkin. It's Pumpkin. Eeple. And Pumpkin. That's Pumpkin. That's Eeple. That's the boy. And that's his sister. The other sister's missing right now. And those are the rabbit cages. Short. And then we have Duck. And Fuzz is over there somewhere. And then Red is right here. Hi, big boy. How are you today? Good. Good. Yeah. And the duckies. And there's only 1, 2, 3. 3 out right now, I think. There's the horsey. Bolly. And then we're in the barn. It's a little dark in here, so turn on the lights. Mocha! Hey, Mocha! So that's Mocha. And then we have the coop. Again, it's pretty dark in here. And Short! Shorty wants to come. Come on, Short. Alright, this is Short. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Short, that's a little close. So Shorty's gonna come with us to tour the rest of the yard. Okay. So she came from over there, and now she's with us over here. She's looking. Hi, Short. Look at me, Shorty. Look at me. Short. This is the house. Nice deck. And a pen. Look, there's the wheelbarrow. I'll show you why that's in there in a while. In just a minute. That's my playhouse. That's never been finished. And my swing set. That's like destroyed. Alright, Short. Can you hold the camera? Oh, Short. Whoa, Short. Hold on 1 second. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That's in there. And, Shorty. Hold on, Short. We're not done taking the video yet. Okay. That's not very exciting, but in here we have food, water, Weirbill. A little garden, overgrown, but Shorty. And then we have the little Meows. Not very little. Whoa. They're very cute, though. Look at them. Short. Okay. Gotta cover everybody. Alright, guys. And then, we have that. And then I'm gonna let Shorty go over here because she's not really liking this. So, and then I'm gonna close the door and try to lock it with one hand. No. Short! Where are we going, Shorty? And that's the deck. Close up. Oh yeah, good barbecue. That's the parents' bedroom. That's the bathroom. TV room's right there, and then the basement. And there's a boy over there somewhere. Run, Short! Okay. And then we have a tree. Yeah, it's probably lopsided, but... Okay, here we are. We have the young chickens. We have Smokey. We have Cinnamon. We have Stripey here in the front. The white bum with the black tails, Cookie. The creamy one is Peanut. This one right here in the middle. And the little black one's Bumbly. Let's see if I can catch her. Bumbly! Bumbly! Yeah, focus on Smokey. Bumbly! Never mind. I should like to go under there. There's the road. There's the truck. Millette Construction. I'm sure you guys have heard of Turbo C56 and Stomper 56. Stomper 56 is my Uncle Gene. See, he just arrived. See, he says, "Welcome, Uncle Gene." And then Turbo C56 is my dad, founder of Millette Construction. Nice truck, huh? Yeah. So, if you ever need some construction work done, just call that number. Yeah, right. You should probably call a different number, because that number is not really working right now. Anyway, I gotta run to the house because this is almost ending. Ooh, pretty flowers, pretty flowers. Ooh, pretty flowers. See, walkway, sidewalk, whatever you want to call it. Pretty. Pretty. And then the house, the door. Woo! Ta-da! Oh, and then that says, go ahead and make his day.